Here's a new 2024 Cadillac XT5. Attractive and accommodating, treat yourself to a vehicle that does more for you. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.